What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Amber Gold, and I'm kind of merging two videos into one. So I'm doing like a makeup tutorial right quick, but I'm also going to be doing a review. I'm about to open a package. Some eyelashes came in. I love eyelashes as a cute beauty enhancement. I'm kind of excited about doing this review. So shout out to Melly Boop Lashes. She sent me a package in the mail. I'm about to open it and try these lashes on. Excuse my nails, I'm gonna get them done. Okay, so what I will say first is the packaging. It's like, I noticed, I was like, oh, this is like really cute. It came like so. Ooh, okay. Inside the package comes, this is her business card, if you can see. So let's just get started. I don't know which one I want to wear first, because I think I'm going to do like different videos now since there's 3 of them. I didn't realize that there was going to be 3. I'm just going to do 3 different looks. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of her cases too. This is like the case. It has like, you know, some jewels and stuff. I'm going to show you this one too. It has jewels on it and stuff, and then on the bottom it's gonna tell you what the name of the eyelashes are. I also have a 3rd one, and this one came in a container like this, and on the back it's called Ferris wheel, and I thought that was cute because I mean it's in a circular container. Like I said, I'm gonna do like an entire review on all 3 of these, but since at the moment like I'm kind of in a rush and I'm actually getting ready to go out, I'm just gonna wear like one of them today. I think I'm gonna try on Enough Said. Here's a better view of them. Because I'm gonna do different looks, I'm gonna have different makeup looks, and this one I'm gonna kind of like tone it down a little bit. The other ones are more bold, so I'll probably do like a bolder eye look. I'm going to just make up something. I'm wearing pink today, so let's see if I can accomplish a pink look. So I'm just setting my eyes, the foundation stick from Black Opal in both colors of nutmeg and rich caramel. Let's do some pink eyeshadow. I would say this is like a medium pink and a purple together. So we got some pink eyes. A smaller brush. I'm gonna use this dark like pink color from the Nicka K palette. I'm gonna take like a small brush like this. I'm gonna take my highlighters. So I'm just gonna have to do this look without eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. I have no idea where my eyeliner is at. So my eyelashes should be ready. Okay, so these are really like kind of cute. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. My honest opinion, I freaking love these. I love them. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it, even though I hate McDonald's. So I kind of like obviously messed up on this eye. Like, I am not a pro when it comes to eyelashes, okay? I'm still trying to learn. So on this eye, it kind of got messed up. So that's why if you see something, just ignore it, okay? So I'm about to just take foundation, because like my skin goes from light to dark to light to dark to light to dark, but most of the time now I just kinda mix it. Come on, piece of hair, you need to stay out the way. Like, I cannot stop looking at these eyes. Then I'm gonna go back over with the second layer. And then the setting spray I'm using is Long Lasting Setting Spray. And this is by Black Radiance. So to tone it down, because it's kind of light, is I'm just gonna take the foundation in Nutmeg to tone it down, and I only do this like one layer because it's so dark. This is the final look. Like I said, I really like these eyelashes, and that is it for my channel. Be sure to watch the next video. Shout out to Melly Boop Cosmetics, and her Instagram is Melly Boop Cosmetics _. So shout out to her because I really love these. I can't wait to do more looks with her eyelashes. Like I said, these ones are enough said, so if you really want these, go ahead and hit her up, because trust me, these are like my favorite all-time lashes I've ever tried. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Miss Amber Gold, MISS Amber Gold, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.